Here's how I made a working model of Airship Fortress, the Mario Kart track from Mario Kart World. Alright, I didn't film much of the building process, but we have about, I'd say half the layout here. I'll look at the layout picture. So, I got about here. The starting line's like here, but I got out from like here all the way down to like there. And I just have that turn into the glider, which I'm gonna use that left tail for, into this weird spiral tower thing, and then we're done. So yeah, looking good so far. Alright, I got this next turn into the part here where they're like kind of under the track where there's the fire beam shooting out. Now I'm on to building the turn into the glider. Okay, I got the turn done into the glider, and I built the structure for the tower. Now I just have to do the spiral down in the final turn here, and back to the start. Alright, I got the next tower part done, and all I have to do after this is just finish this turn over here and connect it all up, and then I'm done. Well, until I add the theming, which will take a while. Alright, I finished the track layout. I think it looks pretty good. It's a bit smaller than I thought, but I mean, my dog ate the corner, so you can't really see it. But this, the mini map is not really that big either. All I have to do now is just theme everything up, and I think the first thing I'm gonna do is probably start at the starting line. Like put the starting line logo thing there, and then work from like here, then do the tower, 'cause that's probably like one of the bigger pieces theming, and then work down to the laser room and then back up here. Alright, I got the little Mario Kart starting line done. I didn't have enough Lego pieces to build all the way down, so I just had the top part. I think it looks pretty good. And I got the bottom section of the castle done. And then I just gotta build up that part. Also, I don't know if you, yeah, I put a bit of like the flames in there. And then I just have to build the bullet bill room, or the, I guess they're called, the big ones are bomber bills now. They come out like right at that turn, so I'm gonna work on those. And I might put the room around that blue turn there, I'm not sure, because I want to be able to get shots of inside like where the fire's coming across. So I might not put walls around there, but we'll see. Alright, I've been working on trying to make a good like bomber bill. The nose doesn't look that good. I mean, it'll do for now, but it's time to spray paint it. Alright, let's spray paint this. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this up. Maybe the best option. Alright, the black part of the bullet bill, or bomber bill, sorry, is all spray painted. I'm gonna like put the face on with marker. But I didn't get this part on camera. But I spray painted the top part of the tower, and I put the 5 there. So I'm gonna, I think this should be dry soon, so I'm gonna put it on the rest of the tower. got the tower done. I mean, it doesn't line up right, but when you're back here, it doesn't really look that bad. One thing I had to do is the car kept hitting on that like edge there, so I put this rod out here. Now it's fine. And I was originally planning on doing the top, but I don't think I am, so I can get like shots inside here. Also, from this way, it doesn't really look that bad. Like, it looks like a big tower, which is what it is. So yeah, now I just gotta wait for the bullet bill section to dry. I think it's pretty dry. And place that right there, and then have the, like, maybe just tape the bullet bill on or something like that. So yeah, I'm almost done this thing. Alright, I got the face done, but I mean, it doesn't look the best, but it'll do for now. I also got the box or whatever, where it comes out, you know, how it like shoots out here. I got that done, and I'm gonna put that on now. Alright, I got all the theming I wanted to done, like the main parts. It's just if I put the boxes around here, would have been very difficult lining it up. And then I wouldn't be able to get good shots. So I think this is good. With the tower and bullet thing and the starting line, obviously. Alright, now it's time for the final shots and run-throughs of Airship Fortress for this video.